Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So today I would like to show to you a tutorial on how to do soft static edit on CapCut. So you can do this edit to photo or video, and the first step that you need to do is import photo or videos, and then after that go to filters and find the BNW here, and then choose the BW1. Click on a check icon and set the filters until the end of photo of the video, and after that export the video like this. Okay, so after it has been exported, you can just go back, and after that delete the filters, and next go to effects and find basic video effects and basic, and find blur. This one's right here. Click on a check icon and then adjust the effect until the end of the video like this, and then export it again. Okay, so just wait. After it has been exported again, you can just go back and now delete the effects here, and after that click on overlay and add overlay. So add the first video you exported before, this one. Adjust the size until it fits to the screen like this. Oops. And then after that add another overlay. So add the second video you've exported, this one's right here, and adjust the size and also the duration like this. Okay, after that go to splice and choose darken, and here you can just adjust it into your liking. I'm going to adjust it into 45 and click on the check icon, and now here is the soft aesthetic result for your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.